Hey guys, we are excited to be giving you another media room update reveal. This has been a work in progress. I have been having so much fun with this room.
He really has. He's like a little kid.
In fact, I probably think the next video or so will probably be the final reveal of this room all put together. So we're so close. What we wanted to talk to you guys about today is the theater chairs that we put in our room. Those things you sit on that make sure you're nice and comfy so you can enjoy the movie.
They kind of, for me, make or break the theater setup. I mean, I know the tech is a big deal, but if you're not comfortable to enjoy it, what's the point?
So we're gonna show you those right now. For those of you guys who hadn't seen our media room prior, we used to have a TV in here that was a 77-inch TV, and we had some cool glossy cabinets that went underneath it and it looked really good. We had our nanoleaf lights up on the wall, but we decided because of the size of the room being 19 feet wide to go with a more of a traditional theater setup with a projector that we have up there now. So we will go over the details with that in our final video reveal. But for now, we're going to talk about these seats that I am so happy with. We used to just have a front row of seats up here with some seats that were not near as nice or comfortable. One of the other things we did to accommodate more chairs in this room is we built this platform and we have LEDs that go all around it, so at night it looks really good in here. So let's talk about the chairs that are in the room.
So these are called the Tuscany chairs by Valencia Theater Seating. So this company reached out to us and they told us, sell your other theater chairs because we have the best quality theater chairs that we'll send you guys, and they're Italian Napa top grain leather and they're super nice. And I thought, okay, you know, they'll probably be fine. But since we've had these, I actually love coming up here to do my work on my laptop because they are the most comfortable thing in our entire house.
Yeah, they're that comfortable.
Yeah, they're really plush and they're made of an ergonomic foam. So they just really support your body but are really comfortable. And the craftsmanship on these are just beautiful. Like some things that are leather that we've gotten, you're just kind of disappointed in the quality, the stitching, it just kind of looks like it will fall apart. Their craftsmen have 25 years of experience. Anyway, it's just like a great family company. The family's from Italy and now they operate out of Toronto. So I really like companies that have like a grassroots appeal like that. I'm really happy we have these in our house. They're just super nice.
Yeah, so just to give you guys a little closer look at these seats. So they have reclining capabilities. On each side of the chairs, they have different supports you can do. You can fully recline, you can add more lumbar support, and you can also adjust the headrest so that it will come back to your neck and feel good.
I don't know, we have some recliners that recline back and that's nice, but if you're trying to watch something, like you need your head, you want your body back but your head up. So those do that. And the lumbar support, like, I don't know, a lot of seats we have with lumbar support just have like a little, oh, that's it, that's the lumbar support. But this one will like full on gives you tons of range.
Just to give you an idea of what happens when you hit this button, your legs go up like this and then you go to sleep. It's really comfortable. Like these are the softest, most comfy theater chairs I've ever sat in.
Yeah, they say it's the best leather in the world and I can believe it because it's like really soft, but it also feels really durable.
I do like that they have the headrest and then the lumbar support. I actually have back issues, so that helps a lot.
It's hard to capture, like obviously how good it feels. You can't really see it, but.
Some other things about it is you do have a light under here so I can turn on. It illuminates the cup holder right here so you can see.
It also has a lot of nifty compartments. I really like stuff like that. These are like really pretty deep on either side, so you can see it like goes up to my elbow. So you could store all kinds of handy stuff in there.
Yeah, so we have our remotes that we'll stick in there, like the Apple TV, the projector remote, and then the remote for our receiver as well. So it's a good way to kind of hide that stuff away.
Hide them from the baby.
Hide them from the
Because
baby.
he runs off with them.
In this particular set of three, guys, you'll notice that doesn't actually have the armrest right here, whereas our front row does. This is called the Tuscany Console. So this is kind of a unique setup that they have that you can buy. So what you do is you just pull down on the seat. Actually, what you do is you just pull up on the seat, and then you pull this down right here. And bam, you got yourself a couple cup holders right here.
And look, the lights back there, turn those on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And you can position them to how you like it, so it's kind of like flying first class because it really is just a comfortable spot to sit in. Okay, hit this button right here. And they have a couple outlets right here. Ooh, and then some USB ports so you can plug in your laptop or whatever electronics.
Seriously thought of everything.
I prefer to plug in my toaster. I just like to have a toaster up here, just if you want to cook some bread during a movie.
What about your mini fridge?
You technically could do that. That's really cool, really handy, and I think very utilitarian. Probably the biggest word I've used like in a decade. So another thing we like about these chairs is you notice that they do have a metal attachment thingamajogger right here. You can actually stick these attachments that you can get that will allow you to do different things. So this one right here, you can tell, is actually to hold like a electronic device. So if you have like a tablet or your phone, you can stick this in right here, and just for convenience, you guys feel to have it during your movie. Like Amanda could be on Instagram watching a film or something
scrolling
like that.
and watching at the same time.
So another one that they have is this one right here. This is a glass holder.
This is for like stemware, like goblets or whatever that don't quite work very well in the normal cup holders. So I think that's really innovative too.
Yeah, so we are super, super happy with these chairs. We do love as well that they come in multiple configurations. What I did with this setup is I wanted to have a set of two that didn't have a divider in the middle, just to kind of make sure that the chairs fit within the room nice and tight.
And so we could snuggle, right?
Yep. And then the back row, of course, is we had a set of three. And this setup, of course, being that we wanted to be able to have this center console that you could pull out if you wanted to for those who are sitting in the back row. So the back row is not really a terrible spot in our theater room. So
no, it's great. No obstruction for the screen. Perfect viewing. All the seats are great. So lots of parties over here now.
So guys, these are the Tuscany seats by Valencia. Go check out Valencia. They have lots of different options on there. And I am so glad we went with these chairs. I think it makes a big difference for the room. As I mentioned to you before, we used to have a dedicated theater room, but these chairs that we have in here are by far better than any chair I've ever owned in a media room. So it does make a huge difference, and it kind of encourages you to watch more movies because it's so comfortable. So,
yep.
All right, guys, stay tuned. We do have more videos coming up with the final reveal of this room, and we'll
give you the whole tour.
The whole tour, showing you all the equipment that we put into this room, and it's going to be fun. All right, guys, we'll see you next time.
Bye.